Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be trying out the Makartt Polygel kit. Okay, so I'm just going to open it up for you guys to see all of the things that come in it. These are all of the things that come in the kit. You get a box of dual forms, you get the instructions on how to use their products, you get the 120-240 grit file, you also get a UV gel brush, you get a base and top gel coat, and then you get 615 ml polygels. Alrighty, I'm just going to swatch out these for you guys to see. Okay, so this one is 001 and it's clear. This is bright white and it's 006. This one is natural pink and it's 008. This is dark pink and it's 009. This is light pink and it's 015. And then the last one, which is actually almost similar to the other one, and the last one is misty rose and it's 018. I think that the natural pink and the light pink are just the lighter version of each other. Okay, so I've done my second hand, but then my thumb, the full cover tip of my thumb did pop off, but the nail was still intact. So yeah, that's just that. I'm using my full cover tips from CHB Luxury Store. I would leave the link of everything I use in the description box. I've selected my tips, and now I'm just going to apply base coats and then cure those in the lamp. Today I'd be doing the lazy girl method, which is the aprés dupe technique and dual form technique combined. It's a really beginner friendly and like a do your nails at home technique. It'll work really great for you, especially if you really want to do something that will be really quick, or you want to like do your nails really quick. This would be the method for you to use. Okay, so I've gotten the polygel on all of my nails, and I'm just using the sleep solution from the last polygel kit that I used. I'm just going to make use of it to work my polygel around my tips. Okay, so what I did is, before applying the clear, which is the first one I'm going to use, I decided to rub in some glitter pigment. The glitter pigment is iridescent, so I decided to rub that in to the in the tip first, because on my other hand when I did it, the glitter was it didn't really stay on the tips the way I wanted it to. I kind of wanted to do like a glitter ombre basically, but the glitters seemed to just cluster in one side when I'd apply them on the polygel, or rather the pigment. So what I did was rub it in before putting the polygel. So now I'm just going to rub in some actual glitters. Now I've been saying glitter when I need to say pigments. Okay, so now I'm just going to rub in, well, I did rub in some actual glitter, and then I put some shards as well in there, some of the pink and blue greenish shards. And then I'm just going to apply a bit of polygel, a bit more polygel, and then smooth that in and just place it on my thumb just like this. And that's just it. That's just really it. I will flash cure it in the lamp so that it doesn't like smudge and move, and then I'm just going to work my way using the other polygels. Okay, so like I said earlier, I want to do a like a glitter ombre basically, and I want like my glitters to be at the bottom of my nail. So when you want to do this, like when you're doing the aprés dupe technique / dual form technique, what you want is to make sure that the polygel on the sides, like when you apply your polygel, you want to keep it thin on the sides and then a lot more thicker in the middle. Now if you get it in the same thickness as you have in the middle, when you place the when you place the tip or your nail tip on your nail, it will smudge off. Like when you try to press it down so that it stays properly, it will smudge, and you do not want that. And in essence, it would either make the nail high and bulky, or you'd have it pressing out on the side. So you want to keep it really thin, not really thin, but you want to keep it slim on the sides and then a lot more bulky on the inside, so that it sits perfectly. Alrighty guys, so for every nail that I do, I will flash cure in the lamp, and this is just to prevent it from smudging or from moving out of place. And also, if you do not have sleep solution, you can always make use of base coat or make use of alcohol to work your beads. Those would work perfectly for you. And guys, please ignore the movement of my table. My dog kept playing underneath it. Okay, so back to the polygel. One of the things I noticed about this polygel kit is that the colors were quite similar, and I'm referring to the pinks. I mean, they are very cute, however it's just different shades of sheer pinks. And don't get me wrong, I think the pinks are quite cute again. Okay, so the great thing about this kit that I did notice is that this polygel brand, compared to the ones I've used, is not smudgy, which is really great because it makes it less messy to work with. I mean, look at when I put the sleep solution on, and then it's just easy to pull and work around. Alrighty, I'm just going to let you guys watch me work, and then I'll come back to you guys when I'm about to file these nails. Alrighty, so I did apply the tip to all of the nails, and I've cured these nails fully in the lamp. Now I'm just cleaning underneath my nails with the 2-in-1 sleep solution / surface cleanser, because I don't want any dust getting trapped underneath the nails. And I'm using the 120 grit side of the file to file these nails. Alrighty, so there's really no much for you to file. All you need to do is just make sure that you've got like a very strong shape, and that your cuticle area is very flush, really. And that's just what I did. I went over my cuticles, and I did go like over the nails as well, just slightly. I went over my cuticles, and then I did my side walls, and then I creased up that free edge, and that was really it. There was really no much for me to file, basically. And then I buffered to perfection. I just buffered it so that it's really smooth and ready for top coat. Alrighty guys, so I'm back from filing and I did wash my hands so that I could get all of the dust completely off my nails, and now I'm just going to apply top coat on these nails and then I will cure in the lamp and then apply cuticle oil, and that would be the end of this set. We are done, and finally, you guys, this is what my nails look like. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Thank you all for watching. Thank you so much. Let me know what you think about this set. I think it's really cute. Stay safe, stay blessed. You guys should please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Instagram. Thank you, stay blessed, and bye.